Alright, what's good? Like a jackass, I deleted the entire first video that I just made. Like, me and Marcus just made a fucking video. I don't know how the fuck it got deleted. But anyways, what's up? It's your boy Tommy Berry. It's my 21st birthday. I'm chilling, I'm kicking it. You know what I'm saying? My phone is off. Like, this is very inconvenient. Like, I'm like, goddamn, it could have got off tomorrow. But how come not today? You know what I'm saying? So it's whatever. Fuck it. Roll with it. Just don't call me and shit. There you go. AT&T is a... Alright. Fuck it. Moving on. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm just at the house chilling right now, you know what I'm saying? Just enjoying the day. It's a real beautiful day outside. I'm probably gonna get outside and kick it a little bit. We about to go scheme on some food though in a second.
And we making videos all day.
And a hot motherfucker. Look, we making videos all week. I'm telling you, like today and tomorrow is Monday. So like, you know what I'm saying? People really be kind of trying to concentrate on getting their week together on Mondays. You know what I'm saying? Then Tuesday we chilling, but then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and it's Memorial Day weekend. So
we already started last night with the video. Y'all can see that later though.
Oh yeah, we about to post the videos from last night after this one. So yeah, we're gonna get everything popping. Oh, we gonna holler at y'all in a minute. So suck it easy, piss in the least, low gas prices. I'm slurred, damn. Chilling. Alright y'all, 21. It's about to be epic, man. It's a wrap. It's a party now. Holla. It's a motherfucker. Mark.